Hello everyone, welcome back Paramedical Career Academy. Today I am going to continue with part 3 of 5000 MCQ series of CHO. Actually this questions is also helpful for sanitary inspector examinations also. Let's begin with unit 3, that is environmental health and sanitation. Question number 1 is control of water supplies to ensure that they are pure and wholesome is a statement of option A is WHO, option B pollution control department, option 3 department of health, option D is water supply department. So the correct answer is option A, that is WHO. Question number 2 is production of any object by an individual or institution and all the pollution that object or activity might cause throughout its life cycle comes under the principle of option A is polluter pays principle, option B is principle of cradle of grave, option C is principle of discharge and emission permit, option 4 is infrastructure and basic life amenities. So the correct answer is option B, that is principle of cradle to grave. Question number 3 is overcrowded house causes. Option A is respiratory and skin disease. Option 2 is gastrointestinal diseases. Option C is cardiovascular diseases. Option D is congenital disease. So the correct answer is option A, that is respiratory and skin disease. Question number 4 is safe water is option A is free from harmful chemicals. Option 2 pleasant to taste. Option 3 usable for domestic purpose. Option 4 all of the above. So the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 5 is in normal soils the minimum distance between the well and the source of contaminants is option A is should never be less than 15 meters. Option B should never be less than 10 meters. Option C is should never be more than 15 meters. Option D is should never be more than 10 meters. So the correct answer is option A, that is should never be less than 15 meters. Question number 6 is diseases caused by insect in vectors, especially mosquitoes that breed or feed near water are option A is water wash disease, option B is water related diseases, option 3 is both, option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is water related diseases. Question number 7 is SODIS relies on to kill bacteria. Option A is chemical treatment, option B is sun energy, option 3 is radiation, option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is option B, that is sun energy. Question number 8 is potassium permanganate is used for disinfections of option A is fruit and vegetables, option B is water, option 3 is air and option D is instrument. So the correct answer is option A, that is fruits and vegetables. Question number 9 is orthotoluidine arsenide test OTA is used to determine option A is amount of free chlorine residual, option B is pH of water, option 3 turbidity of water and option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is amount of free chlorine residual. Question number 10 is acid rain is a global effect of option A is noise pollution, option B water pollution, option 3 air pollution, option 4 soil pollution. So the correct answer is air pollution. Question number 11 is global warming causes. Option A is increases dryness of climate, option B reduce food production, option C is increase sea level resulting floods, option D is all of the above. So the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 12 is hexachlorobenzene is a type of option A is POPs, option B DDT, option 3 pollutants, option D is herbicides. So the correct answer is POPs. Question number 13 is pesticides mainly enter into food products due to option A non-observance of prescribed waiting periods, option B is use of substandard pesticides, option C is wrong advice and supply of pesticides to farmers by pesticide dealers. Option D is all of the above. So the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 14 is immediate constituent of physical environment is option A air, option B water, option C soil, option D sun. So the correct answer is option A, that is air. Question number 15 is fertilizer is a source of option A is domestic source, option B industrial source, option 3 vehicular source, option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is option B, that is industrial source. Question number 16 is green belt is a remedy for option A is air pollution, option B is water pollution, option 3 is soil erosion, and option D is noise pollution. So the correct answer is air pollution. Question number 17 is animal dung, crop residual, grass and leaves are option A is domestic waste, option B agriculture waste, option C is commercial waste, and option D is industrial waste. So the correct answer is option B, that is agriculture waste. Question number 18 is disadvantages of improper disposal of sludge. Option A is include the potential to contaminate the soil, option B pollute water source and create, option C is favorable breeding condition for disease vectors, option D is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 19 is carriage sanitation system is used to option A septic tanks, option B BMW, option C biogas, and option 4 is sludge. So the correct answer is option A, that is septic tank. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this session. If you like this session, please like, share, subscribe this channel, and please keep watching. Thank you so much.